Hi, I'm Joel Ryser, Executive Director of Hot Glass Incorporated. We're a local nonprofit that serves veterans and at-risk youth here at our glass blowing facility. And Crawford Company came to the rescue when we moved into the new facility here. First thing happened was I called the local 25 Plumber and Pipe Fitters Union and met Bill Allison and Phil Davison. They introduced me to Adam Isaacson from Crawford, and he did the rest. One of his lead guys, Joe Burkhart, helped install all the piping, and on one Saturday, they had, I think, 15, 16 plumbers here working together from the union and from Crawford, doing all the work. It was amazing what they did. The piping was donated by Hempel, and Crawford donated all the labor and so forth. And you know, we have special features that they installed for us. Some of them are the drop downs for our torches. I think the only other place in the country that has that type of equipment is the Corning Museum of Glass. So Crawford Company really made this a special place and gave us a lot of really nice facilities, upgrades, and makes our life a lot nicer here at Hot Glass. So after the guys did the shop, during Thanksgiving, our furnace at home went out. So I called my good friend Scott Kokite, and he set me up with a guy to change our furnace out. And they did it in one day, right before Thanksgiving. So very grateful for that also.
So Joel, would you recommend Crawford Company to friends and other businesses?
Yes, I would. I'd recommend Crawford because they come when they say they're going to come, and they do great work. So reliable, and the workers are friendly, and they're very knowledgeable. And you know, it's just nice to know that you can call one company and have them do so many different things for you.